Hello, my name is Chris Lavin, attorney with Lavin Law Group. We're an elder law firm in Lebanon, Ohio. Often we're looking for different tools to use to protect assets from what we call the Medicaid spend down. Because in order to qualify for Medicaid, the state of Ohio will only allow the person in the nursing home to have $2,000 or less in total countable assets. Lately, folks have been asking about promissory notes, gifts to children secured by a note, sale of property on land contract which is secured by a note. And unfortunately, those can be very complicated. The state of Ohio will look at the value of the note as a resource. So if I lend my son $50,000 and I secure it with a note, the state of Ohio basically says you have $50,000. But it doesn't feel that way because my son has to pay me back first. In the old days, we used to be able to convince Ohio that that was a stream of income that he was paying me back. They don't buy that. So right now it's $50,000 in my pocket whether I like it or not. So one thing I have to do is I have to either go get that $50,000 for my son, which is uncomfortable or sometimes not able. I have to shop that note to an investor to see if they'll buy it from my son, or I have to consider it unavailable. The only way to consider it a complete transfer is to say that the note is not assignable or shoppable. So that would create a penalty period, and I need to do that far enough in advance before I go to the nursing home, and nobody has that crystal ball. So please be extremely careful to get good advice in regards to promissory notes if you have a loved one in need of Medicaid services, because the state of Ohio will ask questions about it.